Today we unfold the topic of 1000 calorie smoothies, or how we call them around here, the grand smoothies. These smoothies are for those of you tired of consuming time cooking and feeling full all the time because you have to eat a lot of solid foods to hit your necessary calories for gaining weight. Sure, you could get a smoothie with 4, 5 or 700 calories, but sometimes that's not enough. That's why we'll make together 5 different smoothies that have around 1000 calories and are made with healthy ingredients. And yeah, YouTuber Tom, that means no Oreos or Mars bars in the blender. Make sure to stick until the end of the video to not only explore all of the recipes, but to also learn how you can drink these smoothies before your workouts without bloating yourself. After all, one grand smoothie has half a standard diet's worth of calories. Just one more tip before exploring the recipes. Make sure to compare the volume of your blender with the volume of your chosen smoothie. If your blender is too small, make sure to split the ingredients in identical portions and blend them separately. The first grand smoothie on our list is this avocado banana smoothie. Having an impressive 1003 calories and over 40 grams of proteins, this smoothie is of tremendous help when it comes to gaining weight. Let's add 1 avocado and a third, weighing 7 ounces or 200 grams. 1 medium banana and a half, weighing 6.4 ounces or 180 grams. 1.3 ounces or 37 grams of cashews, 1 scoop and a third of whey protein powder weighing 1.41 ounces or 40 grams, and finally 18 fluid ounces or 532 milliliters of coconut milk. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Pour the high-calorie avocado banana smoothie into a glass or a shaker bottle and serve. When it comes to flavor, the smoothie has banana taste toned down by the more neutral avocado aroma along with some notes of coconut. The second 1000 calorie smoothie on our list is this chocolate sunflower seed butter smoothie that has no less than 64 grams of proteins. Before adding the other ingredients, blend 1 cup of oats until they turn into powder. This way your oats will mix better and your smoothie will be easier to drink. Let's add 1 large banana, weighing 4.8 ounces or 136 grams. 2 tablespoons of sunflower seed butter, weighing 1.1 ounces or 32 grams. 2.5 teaspoons of raw cocoa powder, weighing 0.2 ounces or 6 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey, weighing 0.8 ounces or 21 grams. 1 scoop and a half of rice protein powder, weighing 1.6 ounces or 45 grams. 2 cups of rice milk weighing 15.9 fluid ounces or 470 milliliters. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Pour the smoothie into a glass or a shaker bottle and serve. When tasting the smoothie, you will experience a sweetened version of the sunflower seed butter's flavor combined with bitter notes of cocoa. The third smoothie on our list, namely this Tropical Smoothie, has exactly 1000 calories and a solid 43 grams of proteins. Let's add 1.8 ounces or 52 grams of dried mango, 1 medium banana and a third, weighing a total of 5.5 ounces or 153 grams. 2/3 of a cup filled with avocado cubes, weighing 3.5 ounces or 98 grams. 0.7 ounces or 18 grams of cashews, 0.5 ounces or 13 grams of shredded desiccated coconut meat, 1 scoop and a third of whey protein powder weighing 1.4 ounces or 42 grams, 13.1 fluid ounces or 319 milliliters of pineapple juice, and finally 8.8 fluid ounces or 260 milliliters of water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Now you can enjoy a high-calorie tropical smoothie that will help you gain weight while making you feel you're on a relaxing palm tree beach. In terms of taste, you will recognize mango, pineapple and banana flavors, so a single exotic fruit cannot describe the overall taste of this smoothie. Although this banana smoothie has 989 calories, we can still consider it a 1000 calorie smoothie. This smoothie has over 40 grams of proteins and plenty of energizing carbs while being low in fat. Let's add 4 medium bananas weighing 472 grams, cashews, 1.8 ounces or 50 grams of oats, 6 ounces or 300 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt, and finally 10.2 fluid ounces or 300 milliliters of water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. And there you have it, a high-calorie banana smoothie tailored for weight gain with an interesting texture and a strong banana flavor that's calmed down by a slight note of cashews. The last smoothie on our list is this vegan fruity green smoothie amounting 1032 calories. This one is full of vitamins and minerals and has plenty of proteins as well. Let's add half a mango weighing 5.9 ounces or 168 grams, 2 medium bananas weighing 8.3 ounces or 236 grams, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams of spinach, half an avocado weighing 2.65 ounces or 75 grams, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds weighing 0.35 ounces or 10 grams, 2 tablespoons of almonds weighing 0.6 ounces or 17 grams, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter weighing 0.6 ounces or 16 grams, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds weighing 0.4 ounces or 12 grams, 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds weighing 0.6 ounces or 16 grams, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut weighing 0.42 ounces or 12 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey weighing 0.7 ounces or 21 grams, half a teaspoon of cinnamon weighing 0.05 ounces or 2 grams, 1 cup of almond milk weighing 8.5 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters, and 6.76 fluid ounces or 200 milliliters of water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Pour the high-calorie fruity green smoothie into a glass or a shaker bottle and serve. Regarding its taste, the smoothie has a crisp but slightly coconutty flavor, accompanied by earthy notes coming from seeds and nuts. You can find the full recipes with all the health benefits and the nutrition facts for all the smoothies we talked about in the article linked in the description. If you want to use these 1000-calorie smoothies to energize before your workouts and not feel bloated during your training, you should first do some simple math, as Drs. Mary Dunford and J. Andrew Doyle recommend in their book Nutrition for Sport and Exercise. Just divide your smoothie's total number of carbohydrates to your body weight in kilograms. If the result is closer to 1, then you should consume the smoothie 1 hour before your workouts. If it's closer to 2, then schedule it 2 hours before your workout, and so on. Whether you choose to drink them before your workouts or any other time of the day, the most important thing about the 1000-calorie smoothies is that they will help you gain weight while saving you precious time every single day. For more smoothies that help you gain weight, make sure to check our list of 19 high-calorie smoothies. Not all of them have 1000 calories, but you can simply increase the serving size and you've got many more 1000 calorie smoothies right there. Last but not least, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos that will help you gain weight far easier while getting you closer to your body's full potential.